What's the meaning of chloride? Chloride. Chloride.
Chloride. Chloride. Chloride refers to a chemical compound that contains the element chlorine. Chloride compounds are commonly found in seawater, salt deposits, and minerals. Chloride ions have important biological functions, serving as electrolytes that help regulate fluid balance and nerve and muscle function in the body. However, excessive intake of chloride can lead to health problems such as high blood pressure and kidney damage. Overall, chloride is an essential element for many processes in the body but must be consumed in moderation to maintain proper health.